Hi guys, this is TechGirl007. I hope you're doing great. So today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make your text messages bigger or smaller, or any text on your phone bigger or smaller. All right, so right now I'm on a text message that's very small. It may not be very clear for some people who have like eyesight problems. All right, so I'll show you guys how to make that bigger. All right, so currently I'm using a Samsung Note 9, but otherwise it's similar on all Samsung platforms. All right, so if you want to scroll down on the page, and then you want to go on to where it says, well, it shows you a spanner icon, so you want to click on that round spanner icon, and then you want to go on to where it says display. Then you want to go on to font size and style, and in here on the main page on the screen you can see main text will look like this. This is how small your text looks like right now. But if you want to go on to where it says font size, you can see small a on the left and big A on the right. So that means if you scroll to the right, your text will get bigger, and if you scroll to the left, the text will get smaller. So let's make it as big as we can, and we'll go back to that text message and we'll see how big it's gone. Right, so that text message, here we go. So this is how big it's gone. All right, so that was a quick 1.5 minute video that I wanted to show you guys. All right, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it. And then you want to go on to my second video, second channel. Basically, it's a cooking time and natural remedies channel. It's really good channel. You want to go on there and obviously scroll through the videos. If you like them, just subscribe to it or share it if you think someone else might like it. Otherwise, you're good to go. Thanks, bye.